Hello everyone, welcome to TerraSpatial. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to do atmospheric correction using QGIS. So for that, we are going to use the plugin SCP Semi-Automatic Classification plugin. So you need to have an active internet connection and go to the option plugins. Now select manage and install plugins. Once you have gone there, you have to go to the option all or not installed and type here SCP, that is semi-automatic classification plugin. So you can just see here, this is a plugin which we are going to use for atmospheric correction. Now we have to install the plugin. So the plugin is been downloaded, and you can see here it has been installed successfully. Now we have to just close it and go to the option. You can see after processing you can find the new tool SCP, which was earlier not there. Now just click here and we have to go to the option pre-processing. So pre-processing, so what we are going to do is that atmospheric correction for Landsat imagery. So I am having currently the Landsat 8 imagery. So we are going to do the atmospheric correction for Landsat 8 imagery. So first of all, we need to just bring in the image here. So first of all, I need to unzip the image. This is the image which I have downloaded. Just extract the image. So this is the final band. So we have successfully extracted the image. Now once again go to the QGIS and we need to specify the file here. Yeah. So this is the folder. Just select the folder. So once we have selected the folder, you can see the bands have been loaded here, and we have to select the meta file here. Once again we need to browse and we have come into the same folder Landsat 8. Here you can see the MTL file, which is the metadata file. Just select it and just open it here. Once we have opened it, you can just check in apply DOS1 atmospheric correction, and we need to check create band set and use band set tools, add band set in a new band set. Okay, so this is what we are going to do here. So you can see the metadata. This is this Landsat 8 the satellite, and you can see the date, you can see the sun elevation and earth sun distance. Now we need to just run it, and finally we need to save the output bands after atmospheric correction. So I'm going to add another file folder. So now we need to just click on run. So it has been started processing. So our data will be atmospheric corrected, and the bands will be added to the new folder which we have created atmos corrected. So the bands will be added to that folder after the atmospheric correction process. So you can see the tool is been actively functioning here. You can see it's just running. So just minimize it. You can see here the tool is been just calculating. It is almost 88% finished. You can just check the progress here, the QGIS main page. So this may take around 2 to 5 minutes based on our system capacity. And you can see here the process has been successfully completed, and the bands has been added. So it has been directly added to the QGIS. You can see this is the band 11. So each band has been processed and atmospherically corrected. So you can see here. So if you have any further doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.